Yo, okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up shipping rules for your physical products in your store. So first we're gonna go over to the My Shop tab. It's gonna open up our store settings. And then we're gonna go down here to shipping method. We're gonna add a shipping method. And then, so right here we have a global, we have a few of these already. So basically, you know, you could set up different prices for different shipping options that you want to offer for your product. So we could do it by price range. So say if a product is between $0 and $10, we'll have a certain shipping price. Or you could do it by weight range, where if it's between a certain weight, you have a certain shipping price. So if it's over a certain amount of kilograms, it says kilograms, we could change the setting to pounds in the settings option in the section. And then we can also do it by location. So if you want to have whatever country you're in, I'm in the US, so if I wanted to have free shipping for items over $50 that are shipped domestically, I would select the United States here. I would say shipping cost $0, and then I would move this to price range from $50 to whatever, like $1 million or something. That's not 1 million. That is 1 million. And you know, free shipping over $50. So boom, shipping cost $0, domestic, bow, and that's what we have. We have a free shipping over $50 option. So we have a product that's, see if I have one that's over 50. You know, we can do a product real quick. Physical product, test, bow, prices, $100. Category, physical, confirm, save. So this product, if we went to our store, let me see if I can do this real quick. I forgot to go back to the builder. I'm gonna open up the store here. Let's see. See if I have the right URL here. All right, so our physical product is here. Test. So bow. So if we buy now, take us through. We're shipping to. We'll ship here. I'll put my name. Just do that. I'll do that, and then different billing address. I'm going to continue. No payment methods. But as you can see, the shipping method came up as free shipping over 50, so it's $0. And then bow, that's how you would do it. So that's how you would set up a free shipping offer on your website, on your store. See if I can get back to where I was. Yeah. I'm on this random test site, so it's kind of weird. All right, shipping methods. So that's how you would do that. And then you could just create different ones for different classes, for different price ranges, different weight ranges, and just add them there, and then it'll automatically apply, and the pricing will just be there for your customers. So that's how that works. Hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next video.